Still dealing with an outdated bathroom that doesn't reflect your style or your needs? Royal Flush Plumbing and Heating turns your bathroom dreams into reality. From complete remodels to modern upgrades. With over 30 years of experience and a reputation built on honesty and craftsmanship, we deliver elegant designs, expert plumbing, and stress-free remodeling from start to finish. Whether it's a spa-like retreat or a functional family upgrade, we handle it all, backed by guaranteed quality and local trust. Ready to remodel? Call us today at 978-597-1868 or visit rfplumbingheating.com. Your bathroom transformation starts here.